In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid an iPhone scam on Facebook Marketplace. It's becoming increasingly common for people to try and sell items like iPhones at bargain prices, but you need to be cautious to ensure you're not falling for a scam. Let's dive into some important tips to protect yourself when purchasing an iPhone online. First and foremost, let's talk about researching the price. If you come across a deal that looks too good to be true, like an iPhone 15 Pro being sold for half its retail price, it's a major red flag. Scammers often lure buyers in with impossibly low prices, so always take the time to compare the deal against current market prices. Don't let the excitement of a seemingly great deal cloud your judgment. Now, let's move on to checking the seller's profile. Before proceeding with any purchase, ensure that the seller's profile on Facebook is legitimate. This means the profile should not be recently created and should have real photos, friends, and consistent activity. Reviews and marketplace ratings can also add some reassurance that you're dealing with a reputable seller. When it comes to communication, clarity is key. Ask the seller for specific details about the iPhone. You'll want to know the model, storage size, and whether the phone comes with the original receipt or proof of purchase. Check if the device is carrier locked or unlocked, and importantly, verify the iCloud status. A device still tied to an iCloud account could be stolen, which would mean trouble for you down the line. Make sure to meet in a safe and public place. Locations like police stations, shopping malls, or cafes with Wi-Fi are ideal spots. Avoid meeting at private homes or secluded areas to ensure your personal safety. Before handing over any money, thoroughly check the device. Turn it on to ensure it boots up to the home screen. Insert your SIM card and test calling, texting, and data capabilities. Go into settings to confirm the advertised model and storage details match. Use Apple's website to verify the phone's IMEI or serial number to confirm its authenticity and check warranty information. Also, make sure that Find My iPhone is turned off. If it's not, this could be an indicator of a stolen phone which you won't be able to use. Always inspect the physical condition of the phone. Look out for any signs of water damage, screen replacements, or loose parts. In terms of payment, use cash or another trusted method. Avoid payment options like gift cards, wire transfers, or cryptocurrency, as these can be difficult to trace if something goes wrong. Never pay in advance, and always get a receipt. Even a handwritten note with details about the transaction can be very useful. Finally, be aware of red flags and don't hesitate to walk away if the seller refuses to meet in person, won't let you test the phone, or if the price is suspiciously low. If the seller pressures you to pay quickly, it's a likely sign to step away. Stay informed and cautious, and you'll be well equipped to avoid scams on Facebook Marketplace. Stay safe and happy browsing.